Hi everyone, it's Christina and I have a finished project to share with you today. And this is the design team project for ilovedigis.com. And I have a completed flipbook that I made. And these are the papers that I use. So these are digital papers. You print them up on your computer. Somewhere I have the address here, the web address. So it's ilovedigis.com. And this design that I used is called American Denim Tags. So these are little jean pockets, and you can print these as small or as big as you want. So I printed them pretty small because I want to use them, or I use them as tags on my project. And this is also part of the denim, American Denim Textures designs. And then I used this design here, and it's called Fractal Art, Bottle Caps and Ornament Art. And I used a couple of different sizes. I printed them small and larger, and you can print them even smaller and even larger if you want. And I used these for flowers. And then for some of the background paper, I used Spring Daisies, and this is pattern 9 to 12. And Spring Daisies patterns 1 to 4, and Spring Daisies patterns, so there's 4 patterns to this, 1 to 4, so these are the 4 patterns that I used in the Spring Daisies. So lots of fun, all very summery and bright, springy and bright. So my flipbook is I should be calling it a Flipbook Mini. Chunky mini, because yeah, it's pretty chunky. So I made the flipbook out of these photo sleeves, you know, when you get your photos developed and they put the pictures in here. I used 3 of them on this flipbook. My last flipbook I glued 2 together, but this flipbook I glued 3 of them together. So there's the front cover. There's that denim paper in the background, and the little denim pockets. I cut them out, glued them onto some pattern paper, that daisy pattern paper. Put a little daisy flower there. There's a little girl holding her doggy. It says Happy Mail. Doily in the background. You are loved. Hello. And some trim here in the bottom. And then on the inside, open it up. And on this flap here, or I should say this little pocket, I have a stamp here from Stampin' Up. It was one of their tea time stamps. And it says, there's always time for tea. And then part of the stamp set says, and you. So I stamped and you on the little tea bag there. And this is part of the, not part of the stamp set, but part of the new tea time die that they have. So I love the little teapot and the spoon. And in this pocket I've got a little baggie here, and I've got some tea in there. And I also put in here these little file folder die, a little file folder die that I have. So I made a couple of them with the paper. And inside I included some ephemera and some of these. I have this little die. It's a little envelope die. So I cut it out on some vellum paper, and I also have this little paper bag, little bag die. So I cut that out on vellum paper, and I just tucked it in here. Gosh, I forget all the names of all these dies. I got file folder dies and envelope dies and bag dies. And then I'm just going to tuck that inside there. Oh yeah, I forgot. And then I added some twine, baker's twine around it, and then just added these little kind words here, like kind, truthful, graceful, humble, and be compassionate and caring. Then on this page, this is also a pocket here, and in here I included all kinds of different sizes of little bags. I think those are always so nice to get. And then I added a little tab here on the side, And this little cute little image, I purchased her on Etsy, so I colored her in. Then I used a Sizzix die, which is this one right here. I can't remember what it's called. Crazy. Oh yeah, it's called Crazy Things. So I used the eyeglasses. And let's see, there's a hat in here. Where is it? Oh, this hat right there. Cut those out, or use these. This is a set of dies. So I used the glasses and the hat. Glued them on. I think I used some stickles on her. Vintage button. A little bow down here. And this is one of those vellum envelopes. And then I have a like a little journal card. So I put there's a little sticker. It's like a cloud sticker. So I cut out the word my fave. Summertime, swimming, barbecue, watermelon, kitty cats, chocolate, sunglasses. So she turned out pretty cute. Alright, so I'm going to flip that over. And this is my hello pocket. Little house and some flowers. And this is also a I Love Digis design. You can print a whole page of bottle caps in it. They say XOX and love and hugs, and there's lots of cute sayings. And this pocket, this is going to be, I haven't done it yet. I'm going to make a card. Probably something like this, but a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to slide it in the corner pocket, which this corner pocket I made it out of a doily. And that will be my hello card. And then this side, again, there's all kinds of washi here, and this is the new Recollections washi, and it says love you. And this is a library pocket, and I just put some thickers on here. It says fun. And then here, this is where I'm going to, I don't know, I haven't decided what I want to write on here yet, but I will. And then this paper bag is like a little pocket, and I'm going to do some writing on this as well. Maybe I'll even add a photo there. And then you flip it open, and here's a little saying that says, too much of a good thing can be truly wonderful. And this says, thinking of you, and have a delicious day. And there's a little vase of flowers, a little jean pocket with a couple of hearts. This is a die from Sizzix, one of the gift card dies. And I've got Open Me, and it says coffee here. And I'm going to put a gift card in there to Starbucks. And then this opens again, and that's the middle pocket. And I added some trim, and I cut these banners out. Live well, laugh often, love much. The side there says think happy, be happy, and have a super day. And these are those flowers I made from the fractal design. It says laugh in the sun. This is some washi tape that says happiness. And then back here is a sticker that says a treat for you. And what I'm going to do, I have to go to the store, and they have these chocolates that they're probably about this size, and they're really actually quite thin. They're like wafer thin chocolate bars that are about this size. So I'm going to put a wrapper around the chocolate bar. I'm going to put this little, I have this little die that says chocolate, and then that will slip in there quite easily. So that's where I'm going to put some chocolate. And then on this pocket right here, again, lots of washi and trim. From this same set here, I used the balloon die. Made a couple of balloons, put life is sweet and a little wooden birdie. The secret to having it all is knowing you already do. And then this opens up here, and I have included a little flip note card, and that's one of those paperclip embellishments that I made. And here's a journal card. And I'm not going to write on these, I'm just including them. And then I made this one here. It says friends. Live from yesterday. No, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. And then maybe whoever's getting this, I'm not going to say, can use these little extras in a project that they're making, or maybe a flip book or a pocket letter that they're making. I made a couple of extras here just to include a little pocket envelope. I think, oh yeah, oh no, I already sealed it. But I made a whole bunch of these, and I added that in the envelope. And then in this envelope, I just added some embellishments. I made some little flowers from the design paper, and just added a few little journal cards and doodads and things. And that's about it. So this just was a little thicker than I thought, but that's okay. There you go. See? It's pretty thick. But I like that these photo pockets allow you to make the envelopes a little bit thicker, see? So that's great. And here too on the side. So that's my last envelope. I'm going to have to go to the photo department and get some more. Alright everyone, that's my flip book, and I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching.